Shalom, shalom.
Part 2. Faith is truly extraordinary in a person's life. When you understand faith through the Word of God, your life will surely be good. Hebrews 10 verse 23, NIV, let us hold unswervingly to the hope we profess, for he who promised is faithful. The one who promised is not Baal, nor Dagon. The one who promised is God, the God who removes mountains. The God who can turn 10,000 to the right and another 10,000 to the left, yet still keep you standing in a safe place. Because you believed, he singles you out, lifting you to a higher level. He separates you from others, because you chose faith in the Son of God who is able, for nothing is impossible with him. Yet many don't understand faith. Some may spend years in church, but never grasp that through the Word of God, they can believe that God heals sickness. They cannot yet believe that God can make them prosperous. They only believe what people have told them. But what people say does not define your life. Many even withdraw and leave because they failed to understand. Hebrews 10 verse 38, NIV, but my righteous one will live by faith. And I take no pleasure in the one who shrinks back. When you withdraw, when you pull yourself out from among God's children, God is not pleased with you. You are left outside to struggle, to be despised, until you eventually return to the house of God, only after suffering outside. But we do not live by what people say, nor by what is seen. We live by what is unseen. For what is seen comes from the unseen. That is why we believe that everything we need already exists. Not because we brought it forth ourselves, but because God prepared it beforehand for us to enjoy. Therefore, living in it is my right. I live in peace, secure, without trouble, because God has given me overflowing peace. Jesus said, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives." So I have abundant peace. In short, I have peace. I do not need anyone to give me peace. Not from my husband, not from my children. I already have peace, because Jesus gave it to me. My joy is mine as well. I don't wait for others to give it to me. It is in me. For Jesus is in me, and I am in him, therefore nothing is impossible. That is the life we are called to live. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.